Hey, what's up guys? It's Roger here, and today we're checking out one of the best action cameras of 2024, the GoPro HERO 4K. This thing is tiny, super lightweight, and comes packed with some incredible features. Let's get right into it. One of the first things you'll notice about the GoPro HERO 4K is just how small and lightweight it is. This camera weighs only 86 grams. I mean, look at this thing. It's literally the size of your palm. It's super portable, and with its built-in mounting fingers, you can easily attach it anywhere for the perfect shot. Whether you're vlogging, biking, or just living your best life, this camera is designed to keep things easy. So let's check out some of the physical specs and the size of this. As you can see, it is literally smaller than the palm of my hand. You got a smaller lens right here. This is replaceable. And then let's look all around it. I showed you the mounting fingers, which is why we have it on this magnetic mount. And those fold in. And then along the side, you have this Bluetooth and power button to turn it on. You have a record button on the top. And this part right here, you have this little latch. I push it down, and you also have access to USB-C for charging and data transfer, and also a micro SD card. There is no removable battery in here. And unlike most other GoPros, you have 3 super easy modes that will make your videos look amazing. It's pretty easy. All you do is swipe from the left, and you have slow-mo mode, which gives you 2.7K at 60 frames per second for that buttery smooth slow motion. If I swipe to the left, you can shoot stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. And if I swipe one more time to photo mode, we're able to capture 12 megapixel photos. And trust me, these photos will pop. I'm gonna switch over to photo mode. And you do have voice control, so I could say, GoPro, take a photo. And that's it. There's really no setting changes in there. You're either going from slow-mo to video to photo, or that's it. You really only have those 3 modes that you're shooting in. Really, really simple. So one thing I forgot to mention is this rear screen, and you can see me on the screen there. That is how large the screen is. It's pretty decent size. It's almost the same form factor of like what a classic GoPro was, is you didn't have any screens on the front, you had the screen on the back, you had the button, you had the modes and the power on the side, and so on. And it gets literally just like the classic GoPro at the price point of $199. Now, let's compare this real quick to the HERO 13 Black that also recently came out. This is the Pro version, this is the more affordable version. I want to show you side by side the size difference between the 2 versions here. I'll hold them right next to each other. I don't know if video does justice for you of the size difference here, but if we turn them side by side, you'll also see how much smaller the HERO 4K is than the 13 Black. And then the rear screen, and it's a callback to the HERO 11 Mini, which is also a mini size, but I didn't bring my HERO 11 Mini with me today, but I'll show you right here in the video of the size comparison difference between this new HERO 4K and the HERO 11 Mini. This still is a lot smaller. So here's a great companionship between the two. If you have the HERO 13 Black and you want to get some multicams, you could actually get a couple of these HERO 4Ks for $199, mount them up to different areas, and you can have this awesome multicam setup with these little cameras. The HERO 4K comes with GoPro's award-winning hyper-smooth video stabilization, which means even though the bumpiest of rides will look smooth, or the bumpiest of runs will look smooth, and the best part, the stabilization is automatically applied when you use the GoPro Quick app to edit your footage. All right, I'm gonna clip this onto my shirt, and what you're gonna see is a stabilization demo from the left to the right. Okay, I'm holding this in my hand, and I'm gonna show you a comparison of the left side of the screen to the right side of the screen. Left side not stabilized, right side stabilized. And I'm just running regularly. Camera right in front of me. How does that footage look? GoPro has also stepped up their battery game with the built-in Enduro battery. You get longer battery life, especially in colder weather. So your adventures will last longer. And also, if anything ever happens to this lens cover, don't sweat it, because if I twist and unlock, it is replaceable. All right, let's go down to the water. It's kind of deep. I'm not too sure on how I'm gonna get back up, but let's go down to the water. Now the problem is if I completely fall, that would be terrible. Okay, this is great. Okay, the GoPro HERO 4K is waterproof for up to 16 feet, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged when you're out in water. And check this out. It's a water-repelling lens cover, so if I immerse it in the water, so even when it gets wet, your shots stay crystal clear. And I didn't even have to brush any water off of the GoPro. So you might be asking yourself, who is this camera for? At just $199, it's an awesome option for anyone who doesn't have an action camera yet and wants to capture those moments as buttery smooth as they could. It's simple, it's durable, and packed with great features. If you're looking for something more pro, then you might want to check out the GoPro HERO 13 Black, but for most people, this little powerhouse is more than enough. So that's it for today's video. If you're thinking about getting the GoPro HERO 4K, I'd say go for it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or want to see this camera in action. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.